Life is busy. We often feel stressed and overwhelmed. The constant hustle and bustle can take a toll on our mental well-being. Mindfulness can help. It is about paying attention to the present moment. No judgment, just being. Mindfulness makes us calmer. We become less reactive to external pressures. It helps manage stress and anxiety. Mindfulness improves focus and concentration. We learn to understand our emotions better. Mindfulness helps us cope with difficult feelings. It is a skill. We practice to get better. With time, mindfulness can transform our lives, bringing a sense of peace and balance that we all crave in our hectic world. Breathing is a powerful tool for mindfulness. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you like. Notice your breath. Feel the air going in and out. Don't try to change your breath, just observe it. Your breath is always with you. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Focus on your breath again. You can do this anytime, anywhere, even for a few minutes. This simple practice can help reduce stress and bring a sense of calm. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about being present. Each breath is a new beginning. Embrace it. Let go of tension with every exhale. Feel the peace within you grow. Our bodies can help us be mindful. This is called a body scan meditation. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you choose. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations. Tingling, warmth, pressure. Don't judge, just observe. Slowly move your attention up your body. Feet, legs, stomach, back, chest, arms, hands, fingers. Finally, your head. Notice any tension. Gently let it go. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the calmness spreading through your body. This practice helps you connect with your physical self, grounding you in the present moment. Repeat as often as needed to find peace. Walking can be a mindful practice. Find a quiet place, indoors or outdoors. Walk at your normal pace. Pay attention to each step. Feel your feet touch the ground. Notice the movement of your legs and arms. Engage your senses. See the colors around you. Hear the sounds. Feel the air on your skin. Bring yourself back to the present moment. Mindfulness is a lifelong practice. Be patient with yourself. Start small. A few minutes each day. You can practice mindfulness anywhere, while eating, washing dishes, or waiting in line. Over time, you will see the benefits. Mindfulness brings peace. It helps us appreciate life more. Start your mindfulness journey today. It will change your life.